Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to put together these furry friends or felt friends, etc. that you can get from different companies that sell embroidery items, such as this one. Now this is a lamb version, and I can't remember which company this was from. I think it may have been from Tania's Feltie, but like I said, I've had a few from different places, so I'll put a link in the description below for all the different ones, and apologies if I named the wrong company for the wrong design, because like I said, some of them are from a while ago, because I don't know about you, but one of the reasons why I'm put off by these is because I'll show you my jumper. This is my jumper at the minute. I'm covered in like little bits of fluff, which drives me mad. And the other thing is because of my dyspraxia, sometimes getting these to like sit nicely on the felt circles and get them to glue and go how they want them to doesn't always work out for me. But Gemma from the Charmed Rose is now selling these ready-made puffs. Now this is one that I've sort of trimmed a little bit, but she's got a whole bunch of colours, and they come like this. So mine's like, I've defluffed mine just a little bit so it's not quite as fluffy because it was covering my little designed face, but I'll show you. So if you wanted to make yourself, some companies do them just the felty bits. So some places you would just get the embroidery pieces. Some sell them with the puffs where you have to make them up yourself, like this one came with the brown puff like this that you make yourself, or some of them do the ready-made versions for you to glue. Like I said, if they do all the pieces, so if they do the ready-made and those all together, tends to cost a bit more than just the embroidery pieces or the Marabou puff to make yourself. So like I said, it depends on the cost and where you get them from, the different items and the different options. So I've got this little cute hedgehog one that my sister brought me from Sophia Grace, and I've also got this tooth fairy girl design here. And what I'm going to do is I will show you how to actually glue the Marabou puffs if you want to. I take a felt circle and I just cut round like a lid to get it the right size. That might be a little bit big, so I'm just going to cut that down just a touch so it's not bigger than her body. Sort of defeats the whole purpose. Still a little bit big. Don't want it bigger than the Feltie tom. There we go, that's better. Need to make this one a bit smaller as well. There we go, that's better. So, for this, with your little tom, this out of the way, is we want a whole lot of glue on this bit here, and then I start in the centre, and I purposely try not to burn your fingers, which is something I do when I do these. Ow. Ow, ow, ow. Is I wrap them round like this, and then use my finger to press them into the glue. And this bit's still a bit loose, so I'm just going to add a bit more around the side to hold that in place. And again, I've got my glue gun on its top temperature of 100, so just to scorch my fingers a little. It's okay, I've got crafting fingers. And there we go. You just make your own version like that, and then that is perfect to go on the tom. Or like I said, you can buy the pre-made version like so. Now with this one, it comes with the wings. My sister told me how to put this together. So you want a bit of glue at the back, and the wings go on the neck. Then the felt piece goes on the tummy. Like so. And then it comes with this tooth, which I'm just going to trim that little thread away so it doesn't come out the side. Take the fluff off it as well, and my fingers, so don't stick them into the embroidery. Generous bit of glue on the black back there, and then we pop this at an angle in the fluff, and move it out of her face, and then we've got the little tooth fairy. Can't get my words out this evening. And then with this one, we're going to do some glue on the tongue again. My glue gun's eating glue this evening. There we go, that is better. Right on there, in the middle. There we go, so there's our hedgehog, and then we want our hedgehog centre. Generous on the back there as well. Make sure it lines up with the back so it's nice and even like that. And then we've got those two. So, excuse me, I just had to put a little plaster on to hide the fact that I just like literally burnt my thumb with my hot glue. I really shouldn't have left that on 100 all day. Put that down to my 60 and hopefully don't do myself any more damage. That's my first craft related injury that I've had in absolutely months, so I'll probably likely glue my hand to the desk or do something else because it always comes in threes after that. As you can see on this one, I've attached it with little alligator clips. I'm just going to show you how to do this on these ones, and this is my little pre-cut circle that I made a moment ago, and I just fold it in half, take my scissors, do two little cuts about 1 centimetre apart, thread your alligator clip across like so, bring that up, glue that side down, flip it over, a little bit of glue that side. Be more careful than me with your glue gun, don't burn yourself. Generous amount of glue there, and pop that on the back like so. Although I was a professional, because considering how much pain I was in then, I didn't damage my Felties or any of my craft related items, which is always a win. And the same with this one. Again, fold it in half, do your two little cuts, pop your clip through, bring this side up, and people always ask why don't I edit these kind of mistakes and whatnot out, because most crafters are not perfect, and this is the kind of stuff that all of you lot will do on a regular basis. So the fact that you see someone who makes tutorials do this probably makes you feel better that we're all human beings and not just perfect little machines. So there we go. And then we show glue on the back. And there we go. We've got our little adorable tooth fairy. We've got our little hedgehog. And we've got the little lamb. So thanks for watching. Speak to you all soon. Bye.